Advanced Demo for Unit 6. We can arrange component positions with horizontal or vertical arrangement. Drag two horizontal arrangements to the screen. Drag two buttons to the first arrangement. Drag three labels to the second arrangement. With clock sensor, we can get the system time in our app. Scroll down and you'll find clock below. It's invisible in the app. Change the text of button 1 to Start. Change the text of button 2 to Stop. Change the text of label 1 to 0. Change the text of label 2 to colon. Change the text of label 3 to 0. Now go to Blocks Editor to make these components work. Variable is used for storing a value or a string. Drag this block to initialize a variable. Use number block from math to initialize the two variables to 0. Rename the first variable to minute. Rename the second variable to second. Set up the events when button 1 is clicked. Use this block to initialize minute and second. Drag call_clock1.minute to see the minute variable block. Drag call_clock1.second to set the second variable block. Drag call_clock1 now to call_clock1 second instant. Set up the events when button 2 is clicked. Drag if then else block to count minutes and seconds. Click tool icon and add an else statement. Drag an equal block to set the if condition. Change equal to greater than or equal to. Drag code clock 1 second block to get the system time. We need to specify the current time, so we choose the block which is named code_clock.now. Get variable second by this block. Use this block to set the if condition. If the second now is greater than or equal to variable second, use this block to set the text of label 3. Use block subtract to calculate. Put clock 1 dot second to the left side. Drag code clock 1 dot now again to the previous block. Put variable second to the right side. Now set up the text of label 1. Put clock 1 dot minute to the left side. Drag code clock 1 dot now again to the previous block. Put variable minute to the right side. Set up the text of label 1 in else condition. Drag block subtract again and put it to the left side. Put clock 1 minute to the left side. Drag code clock 1.now again to the previous block. Drag number block to the middle and change the number to 1. Put variable minute to the right side. Also set up the text of label 3 after setting up the text of label 1. Drag plus operation to the previous block. Drag block subtract to the left side. Drag number block to the left side and change the number to 60. Put variable second in the middle. Put clock 1.second to the right side. Drag code clock 1.now again to the previous block. Let's test the app on the emulator. Click Start and then Stop button.